Good morning. This is Nickel Casino, heavy equipment mechanic technician. Today I will make a video to how to align the tubes and how to fit hydraulic hose and align for its optimal condition, so we can avoid leakage and bursting of hose during operation. So this one is the tube. So this tube must be aligned, and after you align here, after you align here in the, this is a suction hose, this is a suction tube for the hydraulic system, and it will this is the end of the hydraulic tube go to the hydraulic main pump. This is the hydraulic main pump of the 966H 968 payloader Caterpillar. So we must check and align the, of course, the tube. This one, this is a tube. It will be aligned properly. It will be it should be aligned properly. So during operation, no leaking will be happen. So here have the O-ring here, O-ring. This is now flat. So we will remove this one, and we will replace it with new. And the other one, the point is, the other is in this area here. So it is not properly aligned. So it is not properly aligned. This will cause hydraulic leakage. Okay. So we will use this one, this sharp, this one, to pull out this O-ring here in that tube. So here's the O-ring. We will replace it because if you see, it is flat. It's already flat, and if it is not replaced, it will cause leakage of the hydraulic system. Don't forget to wear your safety, your gloves before starting job. So we will remove the old O-ring. So after that, we will clean the tube. And this is the O-ring box. All the O-ring box is here, so we can replace it with a new one. So here is all the fitting of the O-ring box. We will find the same sizes. So sometimes if have the gloves, you cannot install quickly the o-ring, so I must remove one, then I will put here manually. So very slowly to install, because sometimes it will very hard to install to fit the o-ring, because it might be a fall off. So now we already installed it, right? The o-ring is here, the two. So now slowly. We will put our gloves then install this tube. Be sure that there's a proper line, because if not proper line, this here area will cause a leakage because not aligned. See the balance here and the balance here. You should see the balance, the sizes and the balance of the, especially this steel tube. We'll put this one here. After that, we will tight the hose, the fitting. We will use 42 wrench to tight this one. So it should be careful to install this pipe, because it will create misalign, then it will cause leakage. So here also I will tight here and I will tight here. So it also you need to also to balance how to tight this one, the pipe, because it will bend also. So here it's already hand tight, and here, so I will continue this one. Do not over tight, because it will be, the ring inside will be broken. Do not over tight, so the seal may be broken, so only hand tight. And after that one, it's a finish. And here, this is the pipe. This is a pipe also. After you finish all the inspection here, this alignment here and going here, and then this one you tight. After you align properly the pipe here, and going to the main pump, it should be the hose, the connector hose should be properly aligned. So after that we will tight after aligning all. We will tight the hose clamp. So we will use a 10 range and automatic to tight the hose clamp. Do not over tight the hose clamp, it will be broken. The teeth inside the pipe. In this one, it's we need to tight also. You have the O-ring here, and this is the clamp. And this clamp also need to align it properly, so the fitting, the plating of the clamp is not good, and this will be moved. So we will tight this one. So if you want to align, it should be cross. You tight in this area, and you what we call the cross, this one. After you tight, do not tight round. If you tight here and you tight here, not tight here and here. You tight here and cross section tight. When you tight a bolt, you notice if the bolt is not tightening, because the washer will shake. But the washer now is a good tightening, so meaning your bolt is going deeper and tight, coming to tight properly. Okay, so it will not move, so meaning it's properly. Then here it's all seated properly, so this is the assurance that the O-ring and the clamp is properly tight. So that's my video of aligning of components, hydraulic hose fitting, hydraulic tube to the main pump, This is one. This is 1, 2, 3. This is a 3-stage hydraulic pump. The first gear is for the transmission. This is for the tilting, boom up, and this is for steering. So this is my video for aligning components, parts components, and safety precautions also. Thank you and good morning.